Look what I've got here today. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and I'm the queen of giveaways. I've got a bunch going on. I've got a huge 300 subscriber giveaway going on. And for every month, I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of September. It is the Ruby May Mood palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that will take you to the different videos that tell you how to enter each of those giveaways. So if you are familiar with BOXYCHARM, you know it ships out every month and for $21, and there's 5 full-size products in it, once a quarter. So in March, July, September, and December, they do their BOXYLUXE. It's a much bigger box, and so you have your $21, and then they'll charge you an extra $28.99 during that quarter to get your BOXYLUXE. And you don't have to do the BOXYLUXE if you don't want to. You can just do your regular subscription, but you would get 11 full-size items in here. So let's dive in. So it always comes with a card that talks a little bit about it. It says BOXYCHARM All Access. And I did get variation 5L. So here is the Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $29. I don't think I have anything from Violet Voss. It has a mirror on this side. And then here's what those colors look like. They are so pretty. And it basically says, provides revamped essential shades, an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics, so you can create most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essential Palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. Rethink essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. And I haven't decided what I'm going to do, if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to give it to one of you. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 400 subscriber. So we'll be doing another big giveaway, and then I might be putting this one in there. I don't know yet. Let me think about that one. How stunning is this packaging? Gorgeous. So pretty. So this is by Tarte. It is our Park Avenue Princess Palette. Retails for $45. And want to create the perfect seamless sun-kissed radiance? It's now easier than ever to bronze and glow. With Tarte's best-selling multitasking bronzer formulated to blend and build your perfect level of uniform bronze available. The formula adds an instant warmth. It's available in Tarte's signature Park Avenue Princess Radiant shade. The waterproof formula, love that it's waterproof, adds an instant warmth and dimensions across a variety of skin tones, as Amazon Clay helps to improve overall skin clarity, texture, and tone for an overall lift from within complexion. It does have the mirror on this side, and then look how pretty those are. I can see myself getting a lot of use out of that. Okay, so here is the Soldier Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip. The Clipless Curling Iron is a perfect tool for beachy waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, and even ringlets. This top-of-the-line curling iron has a ceramic heating element and an infused titanium polished barrel. Retails for $65. Here's what that looks like. And it's just, it doesn't have a setting control. It's just on or off. So you can't really control the heat on this one though. From IGK is a Mitter's Hydrating Balm, leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh hair down. Love that. I wonder if I can use it on my curly hair or not. This does retail for $29. Any of you curly hair girls out there who have used this, the Mitter's Hydrating Hair Balm, let me know. So you had a couple choices that you could have picked from this box, and the one that I chose, because I've been really loving their products lately, is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Retails for $65. It's an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused in the next generation of water cream. Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid and turmeric extract, so your skin looks youthfully hydrated and plumped. Papaya enzymes smooth and exfoliate, with alpha biotin visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Tidal increases the hydration up to 68% in as little as 15 minutes for up to 24 hours of continuous moisture. The older I get, the drier my skin goes, the more I need something like this. I'm super excited about this one. From Hank and Henry is the Blickity Black Eyeliner. Retails for $20. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids, which I do have. So I'll try to give this one a go. By Stila is the Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I have it in the shade Rubino. It retails for $22. And it's original Power Pout. Stila's award-winning full coverage creamy liquid lipstick delivers bold, long-lasting color that wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, this lightweight formula softens lips so they look and feel beautiful. This is just, it's not a shade that I'm gonna wear, so I will put it in that giveaway for you guys. Lastly, by Dr. Brandt is a Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Retails for $52. It's a hydrating, recovering sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, and I will do this in my next overnight series that I'm doing. I've got one coming up. Love it. So I thought it was a pretty good box. Did you guys get different stuff in your boxes if you get this? What did you guys think? Let me know. It was okay. I know some of the other past Luxe boxes have been a little bit better. Let me know your thoughts. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.